Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you guys are very well. I'm your mathematics teacher of grade 7. Students, in our previous lecture, we solved question number 10 of exercise 1, page number 18. Today, inshallah, we will solve question number 11 of exercise 1, page number 18. So, open your book, page number 18. Question number 11 is, if set A is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, set B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and set C is equal to 3, 6, 12, 18, 21, then prove the commutative property of intersection of sets. Students, before solving the question number 11, first move to question number 15. On question number 15, you can see the properties of sets, and we have to read about the property of commutative property of intersection. So look at here. Changing the places of the sets in the intersection operation gives the same intersection set. So first you can consider it first and its part 2. A intersection C is equal to C intersection A. So first we will solve part A, and we have to prove that A intersection C is equal to C intersection A. So let's start. And the second property is C intersection B is equal to B intersection C. Part A is A intersection C is equal to C intersection A. And part 2 is C intersection B is equal to B intersection C. So first we will solve part A, which is this one. First we will solve the part A, which is A intersection C is equal to C intersection A. So how we will solve? Look at here. First we will take this one, A intersection C. We will write here A intersection C. What are the elements of set A? Look at here. The set A contains 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So we will write here the elements of set A, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then sign of intersection. So we will put here sign of intersection. Move to next set, that is set C. In set C, what are the elements of set C? Look at here. Set C is equal to 3, 6, 12, 18 and 21. So we will write here 3, 6, 12, 18 and 21. Now what we have to find out here? Intersection. Students, remember that in intersection we will write the common elements of these two sets. Okay. So what is common in these two sets? First we will compare one with this set. There's no one. So move to next one. Move to next element, that is 3. So look at here 3, and in set B we also have 3. So we will write here 3. Now move to next element. The next element is 5, but there is no 5 in set C. Next, move to next 7. There is no 7. Again 9, and there is no 9. So only 3 is common in these two sets. So we will write here 3. Move to next. It was left hand side of this part. Now we will solve right hand side. What is the right hand side? C intersection A. So we will write here C intersection A is equal to first elements of C. What are the elements of C? They are 6, 3, 6, 12, 18 and 21. So we will write here 3, 6, 12, 18 and 21. Then sign of intersection. So we will put here sign of intersection. Now we have to write the elements of set A. What are the elements of set A? Look at here. The elements of set A are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So we will write here 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now we have to find out what is common in C intersection A. First 3 is common. So we will write here 3. Move to next 6. There is no 6. Again 12. There is no 12 in set A. 18. There is no 18. So 21 is not common in these two sets. Only 3 is common. So prove that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Look at here. A intersection C is equal to 3 and C intersection A is equal to 3. It means if we change the places of the sets in the intersection operation, it will give the same intersection set. Now students, we solve part 1. Now we have to move to next part, that is part 2. Okay, let's start. Part 2. C intersection B is equal to B intersection C. Students, look at here. Its left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now we have to prove that C intersection B is equal to B intersection C. First we will solve this part. C intersection B. So we will write here C intersection B is equal to, what are the elements of set C? They are 3, 6, 12, 18 and 21. 3, 6, 12, 18 and 21. Then sign of intersection. So we will put here sign of intersection. Now what are the elements of set B? Look at here. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. C intersection B is equal to, what is common in these two sets? 3 is not common. 6 is common. Look at here. Next 12, there is no 12 in set B. 18, there is no 18. 21, there is no 21 in set B. So only 6 is common in these two sets. So we will write here C intersection B is equal to 6. Now its left hand side. Now we have to prove that B intersection C, which is right hand side. So B intersection C is equal to, what are the elements of set B? They are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. So we will write here 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. Then sign of intersection. Now what are the elements of set C? They are 3, 6, 12, 18 and 21. So we will write here 3, 6, 12, 18 and 21. Now we have to compare these two sets. What is common in these two sets? 2, there is no 2. 4, there is no 4 in set B. Next 6 is common. Move to next 8. Here we have 8 and in set C we have 18. Next here we have 10 and here in set C we have 21. So only 6 is common. We will write here B intersection C is equal to 6. So students, it's proof that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Look at here. C intersection B is equal to 6 and B intersection C is equal to 6. They are common, so they are equal. Students, you have to solve these parts on your mathematics notebook. I think it's enough. So Allah Hafiz.